Hello and welcome. I am Emily Lacey. I'm the Senior Director of the Office of Sponsored Projects, otherwise known as OSP. Today we're going to talk about the OSP Proposal Deadline Policy. It is essential for successful proposal submissions and for ensuring compliance with both institutional and sponsor requirements. So your first question would probably be, why do we have a proposal deadline policy? It ensures that proposals receive a thorough compliance review. Each proposal goes through a 2 or sometimes 3-level review process to verify that all requirements are met. Second, it helps confirm that budgets align with both sponsor and university guidelines. We check for accuracy and expenses and look for any cost share or unintended matching that could cause issues later. Third, it ensures that all required approvals and documentation are secured before submission. This is especially important when proposals involve collaboration across campus. Doing this work early helps streamline the award negotiation process if the proposal is funded. And finally, it allows for timely submissions, reducing the risk of last-minute errors or technical problems. Standard proposals must be submitted at least 4 full business days before the sponsor's deadline. Complex proposals require 8 full business days. These deadlines apply to all proposal documents, both technical and non-technical, sponsor-required forms, commitment letters from external parties, internal institutional letters, subcontract forms and budgets, and a cert record approved by all project personnel. For complex proposals, the principal investigator may make final edits up to 4 full business days before the deadline. However, these changes must not affect the budget, institutional or collaborative commitments, or non-technical documents. So what's the difference between a standard and a complex proposal? A standard proposal is a typical research funding request without additional complexity. Examples include a single principal investigator with no subcontractors or foreign collaborations, a small-scale NSF or NIH proposal without cost-share requirements, and applications with no binding terms and conditions. A complex proposal would include any of the following: subcontractors, a foreign component or international component including the sponsor funder, cost-share requirements, submissions to programs like ARPA-E, EERE, NEH, NEA, or NIJ, applications involving binding terms and conditions, large-scale or center-level federal programs such as the NSF MRI or NIH UT or P type submissions, and sponsors that require a signed membership or consortium agreement prior to submission. Within the final 4 business days before the deadline, OSP will review the proposal and may request corrections. This period is not intended for making additional project changes. Only compliance-related edits requested by OSP will be accepted. Once the proposal is ready, OSP will submit it, either on the day it arrives or any time before the sponsor's deadline, depending upon the number of changes required. Thank you for taking the time to learn about the OSP Proposal Deadline Policy. Following these guidelines helps ensure a smooth, compliant, and successful submission process. If you have any questions or need assistance, the OSP team is always here to help.